May Mobility has disrupted the public transportation industry with its inception of self-driving shuttles. Founded in 2017 in Ann Arbor, Michigan, May Mobility utilizes its artificial intelligence to further its mission to reduce human errors and create a safe environment in cities. The company's two objectives for creating a safe environment are decreasing the amount of cars needed on the roads and focusing on sustainability. Self-driving vehicles have become a popular phenomenon, but May Mobility has brought it to a larger and more impactful level with an objective besides convenience for the driver.
May Mobility is a company that uses innovative technology to produce a better, cleaner, and more accessible way to get around. May Mobility plans to solve our increasingly crowded streets and cities through self-driving technology. Utilizing autonomous technology allows for many economic and environmental benefits. This technology reduces human error in driving, decreases pollution, and creates greater economic benefit for many communities and riders. As global warming poses a bigger threat every day, this rideshare company offers an easy, sustainable, and eco-friendly source of transportation for individuals with long and short commutes. May Mobility is proud of their punctuality and reliability, decreasing the need for individual transportation. May Mobility offers a future where people can drive less and live more comfortably.
Even so, May Mobility is not the only autonomous vehicle provider out there. With companies including Tesla, Waymo, GM Cruise, and Argo AI, May Mobility must differentiate itself from the pack. Tesla has its sleek design and name recognition, Waymo its connection to Google, GM Cruise and Argo AI backed by GM and Ford respectively to build autonomous vehicles. Yet, none of these competitors are for the greater community like May Mobility is. Teslas, as cool as they are extremely pricey and not fully autonomous. The other competitors also use their technology to create a vehicle that will probably be expensive and for private use. May Mobility is in the process of deploying autonomous vehicles for use as a public transportation across the nation. Their mission helps give people in cities with a lack of transport mobility.
May Mobility is jumping the curve by being able to withstand the economic downfall of the coronavirus pandemic. May Mobility has found a unique solution to the problem of increasingly congested cities and towns. They have done this by jumping ahead of the curve of the crippling transportation infrastructure by using technology to create a better, cleaner, and more accessible way to get from point A to point B. May Mobility's novel software focuses on a multi-policy decision-making process which teaches the automation to react on an agent-by-agent basis and not be accustomed just to standard preset scenarios. Their dogged commitment to autonomous technology will drive down human error, help revert the damaging effects of climate change, and create economic benefit for its respective communities.
The future of May Mobility is actually really exciting. The company is planning on expanding their services to more cities across the country, including partnering with universities like U of M and Texas and Arlington. Additionally, this past spring, the state of Michigan announced huge news for the future of the company. A first-of-its-kind dedicated roadway for autonomous vehicles connecting May Mobility's hometown of Ann Arbor to the city of Detroit. What's really exciting about this route is that it's not a mere technology demonstration. It will serve a huge need for the region. Reliable public transportation to and from one of the largest airports in the country, which is the home of the third largest parking structure in the U.S. Parking structures like this use up precious capital resources. At an estimated cost of $20,000 per spot, the parking structures at DTW cost about $370 million. The dedicated roadway for autonomous vehicles shows how a company like May Mobility jumped the curve. As the public autonomous vehicles start to become more popularized, May Mobility will be leading the way.